Round 1, start with foundation chain. Chain 19. This forms the base of our leaf. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Work 12 double crochets. Two half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch. Work 3 single crochets in the next stitch. This forms our leaf tip. Single crochet in the next stitch. Two half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Work 12 double crochets. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch in the last stitch. Fasten off and weave in your ends.